Don't forget to click subscribe. Hey guys, we're going to Gibraltar.
To Gibraltar? Grady, what are we going to do first?
We're going to go hiking to see the waterfall.
Hiking to see the waterfall. Griffey, what do you think?
It says wow.
We live in Andalusia, the southern region of Spain, where mountains and oceans meet, and it's just a beautiful territory. You can do Gibraltar as a day trip, but we decided to do it over a couple of days so that we can see everything along the way. Out today on the Sandero Rio de la Miel, which translates to Waterfall of the Honey River, and we're just gonna go for this hike. It's about an hour hike. Medium level for the boys, probably easy for Greg. Here comes Grady Man with his walking stick. So yeah, join us. It's gonna be great.
Hey guys, we found some cows right next to the trail we're walking on.
I'm just gonna call her Betsy with her bell. There's a fork in the road. Which way should we go? A fork in the road is where one way goes left or one way goes right. You have to decide. Left or right? What shall we pick? I think so too. Our Kelty carrier has carried 3 boys across the United States, and now it's backpacking across Europe. It is by far the most versatile carrier on the market for hiking. We're getting closer to the big waterfall.
So this is interesting. So this water comes right out of this mountain, probably out of its own like natural aquifer. And the cool thing about this water is even though it's not filtered by a man-made filter, the rocks and the sand and the sediment out of this big giant mountain is probably good enough to drink. And you really don't want to drink it, you don't necessarily have to, but our water bottle is empty, so we're gonna try it out. Tastes just like water that you buy from the store.
Alligator pool.
Alligator pool.
Anytime we go hiking, we always try to find a nice spot to let the baby out of the carrier so he can stretch his legs and play. And we always try to bring along a nice picnic lunch. Today we brought along tapas. Grady's favorite food is seafood. No, just kidding. That's some Gouda cheese, some jamon, and cheddar cheese right off the block, and a little bit of baguette, and some grapes and oranges. Let me see.
That's nice and clean.
I love your rock.
I need to block this water off.
Need to block the water off?
Yeah, so it doesn't come this way.
Oh, okay. We're literally in the middle of our trail, discovering rocks and blocking. Daddy looks super enthused.
Griffey gets mad when he stops moving. So do I.
Okay. Vamos! Guys, there's always time to stop and smell the roses. It smells wonderful. Our hike through Los Alcornocales was so much fun. It was just what we needed to get our trip started off right for Gibraltar. So we made it to Gibraltar. After wandering around the city for a while, we finally found our Airbnb. It's a cute little flat in the middle of everything. So I can't wait to show you guys. Interesting because it's right in the middle of two different restaurants. This restaurant on Parliament Lane is the #1 Indian curry restaurant in all of Gibraltar. Daddy's over today.
I'm not over it, I'm just relaxing. I've been driving all day. I'm carrying 100 pounds worth of crap while we wander, trying to figure out where we're going. But we made it.
I mean, look at these muscles. How is he not supposed to carry 100 pounds of crap? I'm not carrying 100 pounds of crap. You want to see what the kids are doing?
There's some bombs out. Oh, here they are. I didn't get double bomb. Everybody wants the other one.
What are you laughing at, Grayson?
Okay, that's fine. Let it air out a little bit. Well, pee on the floor. Tell the kids what they're gonna do. You wanna put your diaper on.
Don't put your diaper.
Grady, what are you eating?
That's another soft.
He's really hungry.
And here in Gibraltar, they speak English, but they have a British accent.
It's true, they do. Dinner at one of the most popular Indian restaurants according to TripAdvisor, and Grady wants to sing everyone a song.
Oh, thank you.
Grady, what song is that?
Baby Shark
In what?
in Spanish.
Sing it again. Is that it?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It's our first day in Gibraltar. We're about to get dressed for the day. We're gonna go explore the rock and we're gonna go see the monkeys. Don't forget to click subscribe and share our videos if you're enjoying them and want to see more.
You don't want to miss the next video with all the monkeys on our heads.